How to convert the cache and data partition to F2FS on your Xiaomi Poco F1 running MIUI 10. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your cache and data partitions to F2FS on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Do note, right now I am running the MIUI Global Beta 9.3.1, but this process I have tested and it works on the latest MIUI stable version as well. All credits for this mod go to XDA member CCELIK97. I have linked his thread in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and thank him. Other than that, make sure you have backed up all your data because we are going to do a factory reset of your device, which means you will lose all your videos, pictures, and any other important stuff which you have on your phone. So make sure you have backed up your data. Next thing you need is you need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have 2FS recovery installed. I have separate videos for that as well, which are linked in the description of this video. Next, we need a file which you can download from the XDA developers thread. The name of the file is fstab encryptable footer-beryllium.zip, and you also have ext4_f2fs in the file name. So this is the file which you need to download and place it in the internal memory of your device. Once you have confirmed all those things, we need to go into settings and we will go into lock screen and password, and you need to remove all your fingerprints, face data, your PIN, password, basically any security measures which you have set up on your phone. We need to remove all those things. Once you have removed all the security measures from your phone, click on the back button, and now we need to scroll down, go into Mi account. Make sure you have removed your Mi account as well. Once that is confirmed, go back, go into sync, and also remove your Google account. We're doing this because we are going to factory reset the device, do a format data of the data partition and the cache partition, and I do not want your peeps to be locked out of your own device. Just to prove that I am on ext4 right now, I have downloaded the disk info app. Click on the three-dot menu on the top right, go into settings, make sure you have show file system as checked, go back, and as you can see right now my cache and data partitions are ext4. Next thing we need to do is we need to turn off our Xiaomi Poco F1. Once you have turned your Xiaomi Poco F1 off, you need to press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time till you see the 2FS recovery boot logo. Once we are inside 2FS recovery, we will click on mount and then click on vendor. Then we will go back, click on install, and the zip file which we need to flash is the only zip file which we have downloaded for this process. fstab-ext4_f2fs-encryptable_footer-beryllium.zip. Select this guy and then swipe to confirm flash. Once the zip file has flashed successfully, we will click on reboot system. Why are we going back into Android? We're going back into Android so that I can show you that flashing this file did not make any difference to the partition format. It will still be ext4 and everything will be working fine and normal. So we are back into Android. We will unlock our phone, click on the disk info app one more time, and my cache and data partitions are still ext4. We will go ahead and turn off the Poco F1. Once it has turned off, we need to boot back into 2FS recovery, volume up, power button at the same time till you see the 2FS recovery boot logo. Back into 2FS recovery, we will click on wipe, click on advanced wipe, select the cache partition, make sure it is checked, click on repair or change file system, and then click on change file system, and you can see right now the file system is mentioned as ext4. We will select F2FS and then swipe to change. Once the process has completed successfully, click on the home button, click on wipe one more time, click on advanced wipe. This time we will select the data partition, make sure it is checked, click on repair or change file system, click on change file system, and again the data partition right now is set to ext4. We will select F2FS and then swipe to change. Once this process has finished successfully, we will click on reboot system. Do note, once we did the change file system type for the data partition, all your data was wiped out. We just did a factory reset on your Poco F1, so you need to make sure you have backed up all your data. The first boot up will take some time, so you need to be patient, and after the first boot up I will skip the setup and then install the disk info app one more time to show you that the file system has changed from ext4 to F2FS. So I'll be back. Alright peeps, we are back. Let me first go into settings, go into about phone, and I'm still on MIUI 10 Global 9.3.1 beta. I did install the disk info app. Click on the three dot menu on the top right, settings, show file system, click on the back button, and bam, there we have it. The cache partition is set to F2FS and the data partition is also set to F2FS. Can you take your Xiaomi updates with the cache and data partition as F2FS? Yes, you can. Can you install a custom ROM? I think you can. I haven't tried it, so do not take my word for it. If you want to try it, you can try it at your own risk. How do you convert your cache and data partitions back to ext4? Well, you have to repeat the same process. Go into app recovery and then format the cache and data partitions as ext4. Do note, you will lose all your data if you go back to ext4. That's it for this video peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.